better ya. Oke. Kalau kita mau buat pertanyaan, will-nya kita tarik ke depan. Berarti will not. Kita mau buat pertanyaan, will-nya tarik ke depan. Will start the test tomorrow. Iya, cuma gitu doang, gampang. Kalau mau buat negatif, we will tambahkan not. Kalau mau buat pertanyaan, will-nya tarik ke depan. Will we? Sudah jadi pertanyaan. Akankah kita mulai tes tomorrow? Gitu ya. Sekarang number 2. Silakan number 2 baca sekarang yang negatifnya gimana nih cara buat negatifnya. The train.
The train will not arrive tomorrow.
The train will not arrive tomorrow. Kemudian, Feral, gimana cara buat pertanyaannya, Feral? Questionnya gimana cara buatnya? Tarik will-nya ke depan,
Oh iya. Will the train arrive tomorrow?
Will the train, will-nya jadi di depan. Kalau dia bentuk pertanyaan, will-nya jadikan ke depan. Will the train arrive tomorrow? Oke, number 3. Ferlin, number 3 kayak mana buat negatifnya, Ferlin?
I will.
Nah, si Ferlin kasihan, setiap dikasih kesempatan jaringan dia nggak mau kerja sama. Catherine bantu Ferlin keluar dia. Gimana, Catherine?
I will not get up at 6 tomorrow morning.
I will not, tambahkan not ya. I will not get up at 6 tomorrow. Kemudian Cerin, cara buat pertanyaannya gimana, Cerin?
I get up at 6 tomorrow morning.
Ulang, hilang tadi sedikit.
Will I get
Good. Will-nya kita tarik ke depan ya. Hanya itu doang. Selebihnya ke belakang ini sama. Jangan bingung, jangan pusing. Ke belakang sama. Yang penting kita tahu. Oh, kalau pertanyaan will-nya tarik ke depan. Will I get up at 6 tomorrow? Next, number 4. Silahkan Wilson. Kayak apa buat negatifnya ini, Wilson?
They will not have a birthday party tomorrow night.
Oke, good. They will not. Tambahkan not-nya saja ya. Nah, kayak apa mau buat pertanyaannya, Viren?
Amen, tadi aku keluar.
Iya, Verlin, enggak apa-apa. Viren.
Will they have
Oke, berarti tarik will-nya ke depan. Will they have a birthday party tomorrow? Gampang ya, nggak susah. Next, number 5. Number 5, Putri, kayak apa buat negatifnya, Putri? Put, arahin dulu Putri device-mu kelihatan wajahmu. Gini, supaya walaupun dekat kelihatan. Coba. Mem gitu. Ah, kedengaran coba. Ayo, pelan-pelan. Ya, hilang deh. Hilang ya?
Ya, deh.
Hilang deh. Lagi nih ya. Carla, buat negatifnya dong, Carla.
She will not go to Medan tomorrow.
Ya, she will not ya. Kemudian gimana cara buat pertanyaannya ya, Johannes? Johannes, cara buat pertanyaannya gimana? Enggak dengar kalau nggak dibuka mic-nya. Udah begitu banyak tadi contoh lo Johannes cara buat pertanyaan. Johannes masih belum bisa. Gimana Johannes?
Will she go to
Iya.
after?
Ngomong nggak buka mic nggak dengar mem. Will tarik willnya ke depan ya. Will she go to Medan, selebihnya ke belakang sama. Gampang kan cara buatnya kan? Gampang kan? Kalau buat negatif tambahkan not. Kalau mau buat dia pertanyaan, geser dia ke depan will-nya. Sudah jadi pertanyaan. Sama kayak I am Gerald. Baru kalau pertanyaan, are you Gerald? Geser ke depan dia to be-nya ya. Oke, kita lanjut ke sini. Kita akan read halaman page 13. Let's read what Anto will do tomorrow. Repeat after me. Ulangi setelah mem ya. Hello, my name is Anto.
Hello, my name is Anto.
Today is Saturday.
Today is Saturday.
I will tell you what I will do tomorrow.
I will tell you
Tomorrow is Sunday.
tomorrow is Sunday.
I will not go to school.
I will not go to school.
I will go shopping with my mother and my sister.
I will go with my mother and my sister.
After that, I will fly a kite with my friends.
After that, I will fly a kite with my friend.
Then I will ride a bike.
I will ride a bike.
In the afternoon,
In the afternoon,
lihat ya. Oh, Mem belum kasih tahu di sini.
I will go
Hello. Look at this one. Perhatikan ya, kalau de ketemu dengan huruf hidup, vowel sound, kamu baca di, jangan baca de. Bukan in the afternoon, tapi in the afternoon. Karena dia huruf hidup ya. In the afternoon, I will go to the bookstore and then
in the afternoon, go to the bookstore and then
I will take an English course.
I will take an English course.
After that, I will wash my bike.
I will wash my bike
And I will play football in the park.
I will play football in the park.
In the evening,
In the evening,
I will watch cartoons
I will watch cartoons
on television. And I will study my lesson
And I will study my lesson
in the evening.
in the evening.
Oke, yang belum tadi yang belum, silakan baca dulu Keno dari atas.
Hello, my name is Anto. Today is study. I will tell you what I will do tomorrow. Tomorrow is study. I will not go to school. I will go shopping with my mother and my sister. After that, I will fish and kit with my friends. Then I will ride a bike.
Oke, dilanjutkan Beatrix. Hello Beatrix. In the afternoon.
In the afternoon, I will go to the bookstore and then I will take an English course. After that, I will wash my bike and I will play football in the park. In the evening, I will watch cartoons on television and I will study my lessons in the evening.
Oke, continue again from the beginning. Ulang lagi dari awal, Jesslyn.
Hello, my name is Anto. Today is Saturday. I will tell you what I will do tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday. I will not go to school. I will go shopping with my mother and my sister. After that, I will fly a kite with my friends.
Okay, continue, Evelio. Then,
Then I will ride a bike. In the afternoon, I will go to the bookstore and then I will take an English course. After that, I will wash my bike and I will play football in the park. In the evening, I will watch cartoons on television and I will study my lessons in the evening.
oke, Miel boleh lanjutkan dari awal?
Hello, my name is Anto. Today is Saturday. I will tell you what I will do tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday. I will not go to school. I will go shopping with my mother and my sister. After that, I will fly a kite.
Stop, boleh dilanjutkan oleh Abi.
In the afternoon, I will go to the bookstore and then I will take an English course. After that, I will wash my bike and I will play football in the park. In the evening, I will watch cartoons on television and I will study my lessons in the evening.
Oke, dari awal lagi, Kevin.
Hello, my name is Anto. Today is Saturday. I will tell you what I will do tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday. I will not go to school. I will go shopping with my mother and my sister. After that, I will fly a kite with my friend.
Oke, lanjutkan Carla.
Then I will ride a bike. In the afternoon, I will go to the bookstore and then I will take an English course. After that, I will wash my bike and I will play football in the park. In the evening, I will watch cartoon on television and I will study my lesson in the evening.
Oke, semua yang diceritakan adalah Antos activities on Sunday. Kegiatan si Anto hari Minggu. Dan dia belum melakukan itu. Makanya dia masih bilang, I will ini, I will itu, I will ini, I will itu. I will go to the market, I will take an English course, I will go to the bookstore, I will. Future akan datang. Masih belum terjadi. Oke, yang belum dapat giliran, I want you to tell me what will you do this afternoon. Kau mau ngapain afternoon ini? Apa yang akan kamu lakukan? I will go to take a nap, it's okay, ya. I will go with my mother to the beach, it's okay. I will go to have pizza, it's okay. Ya, yang belum dapat giliran membaca. Gerald, what will you do this afternoon? Kan belum dilakukan kan nanti sore. What will you do? Where is Gerald? Out. Oh, ada. Yes.
Go to the park.
Say will. Say with will.
I go to the park.
Will. Ada willnya Gerald. Jangan lupa.
I will go to the park.
I will go to the park. Oke, yang belum dapat giliran lagi siapa? Kirana udah ada baca tadi? Belum. Tadi yang udah dapat giliran artinya kamu sudah jawab pertanyaan sama sudah baca. Itu udah manipulasi. Semua harus berpartisipasi. Kirana silakan.
I will pick up my mother.
You will what? You will?
I will
pick up my mom.
Oh, you will pick up your mother from her work, yeah? Yes. Next, Nael, what will you do this afternoon, Nael?
Apa, Ma'am?
What will you do this afternoon? Kamu mau ngapain afternoon ini? I will, apa yang kamu mau lakukan?
I will go to sleep.
Okay, you will go to sleep. Next, siapa lagi nih? Misael, what will you do this afternoon, Misael?
I will go to the supermarket.
Oh, you will go to the supermarket. And then siapa lagi belum minta? Putri udah bisa ngomong nggak? Coba. Hilang nggak? Buka dulu mic-nya. Kamu teriak kalau mic-nya nggak dibuka nggak kedengeran. You will what? Nggak bisa Putri, nggak bisa dengar kami. Ada yang bisa dengar Putri kak teman-teman? Tak bisa kan? Tak bisa. Renat, come on.
I will play with my friend.
You will play with your friend. I think everybody of you have got your turn ya, sudah dapat turn-nya ya. Feral sudah tadi, udah ada jawab pertanyaan? Dan sudah baca?
Belum.
Belum. And then
Iya.
your turn. What will you do this afternoon?
I will sport.
You will have Feb. Jangan langsung sport. I will have sport.
Will have sport.
Okay. Now let's move to Edric belum? Okay, come on Edric. What will you do this afternoon, Edric?
I will go to ride a bicycle.
You will ride your bicycle. Okay, good. Now let's move here. Jadi kalau yang belum kamu lakukan itu menggunakan will. Sekarang let's move here. Look at this one. Page 14. Kita akan menggunakan cannot atau may not. Cannot. Hah? Or may not. Ada juga not supposed to. Can, apa artinya can?
Itu bisa.
Bisa dapat. I can sing. I can dance. Saya bisa ya. May, apa artinya may? May I go to the restroom please? Biasa gitu ya. May I go to the restroom please? Apa may?
Bisa kah? Boleh.
Izin.
Boleh, ya boleh. Hampir sama. Bisa, boleh kan gitu ya. You may go, kamu bisa pergi, ya gitu ya. Oke. Ini may, can, sama not supposed to namanya modals. Modals. Modals yang to state prohibition. Prohibition artinya larangan. Ini mau larang orang. Oke, mau larang orang kita pakai begini caranya. Subjek, udah tau lah ya, subjek itu you, we, he, say. Tapi biasanya kalau kita larang orang kan kamu. Feral, kamu jangan duduk, kamu berdiri saja. Kirana, kamu buka kacamatamu. Itu kamu ya, biasa kita larang orang kamu gitu kan. Nah, you cannot or may not, and then verb. Verb itu apa? Verb kata kerja. Ingat selalu ya, verb is kata kerja. Kata kerjanya base. Base mean dasar. Jangan tambahkan s, jangan tambahkan in. Lalu ada objeknya. Contoh, you may not apa itu? Park here. Kamu tidak boleh parkir di sini. You cannot go swimming. You apalagi yang biasa di kelas ini? Apa yang biasa di kelas ini? You cannot apa biasanya? Larangan kita di kelas ini. You cannot
Menyuntik.
You cannot what?
Video.
You cannot turn off. Ya, turn off. You cannot turn off your camera.
Video.
Ya. You may not close your camera. Nggak boleh tutup, tidak boleh ya. Karena mem tidak bisa lihat apakah si Evelio sedang memperhatikan mem, apakah dia sedang berbicara dengan di samping. Kalau begini mem suka lihatnya semuanya sedang memperhatikan mem, gitu ya. Jadi mem tahu kalau semua anak-anak mem sekarang sedang ada di kelas dan bersama mem. Kemudian ada juga kalau melarang pakai not supposed to, ya, not supposed to. Jadi ada subjeknya, baru ada to be. Nah, kalau not supposed to ini agak panjang dia, ada to be. To be-nya you pasti are lah ya. You are not supposed to. Ini udah serangkai nih. Not supposed to ini sudah serangkai. Artinya kamu tidak seharusnya parkir di sini. You are not supposed to park here, park here. You are not supposed to go swimming. Kamu harusnya enggak pergi berenang. Ini semua state of prohibition, cara atau melarang, ya. Contoh, coba siapa bisa kasih larang prohibition? Terserah mau prohibition teman, mau prohibition adik boleh. You may not apa atau you cannot apa atau you are not supposed to apa. Silakan, siapa bisa? Biasanya biasa kamu dengar kamu dilarang apa sama mamamu gitu, atau Edric, you may not You may not speak while eating, nggak boleh ngomong sambil makan gitu ya. Apalagi coba biasanya kamu dilarang apa? Prohibition-nya. Ayo.
May not sleep in the class.
You may not sleep in the class. Jangan bobo di kelas ya, kata mamanya. Berarti dia suka molor. Kalau lagi kelas dia molor. Lanjut, apa lagi?
You may not eating in the class.
You may not eat ya. Lihat nih. Jangan lupa ya, polanya jangan salah ya. Habis you may not, kata kerjanya harus base. Jadi you may not eat. Ya, hanya eat doang ya. You may not eat in the class. Boleh. Apalagi yang lain, ayo kasih ide dulu.
You cannot turn off your video in class.
You cannot turn off your video while class. Sementara sedang kelas. Yang lain, other please give your opinion. Come on, give your example. You just speak aja langsung.
You
Jangan
cannot
main
TV.
You cannot watch TV. Nggak boleh nonton ya, katanya si Seron. Oke, lanjut.
You may not cheat on exam.
You may not what?
You may not cheat on exam.
You may not cheat on exam. Nggak boleh nyontek ya saat ujian ya. Nanti kita mau ubah nggak nyontek ya, bukunya tutup ya. Lanjut, apa lagi?
You can't eat too much snacks.
You cannot eat too much what?
Snacks.
Snacks. Jangan makan banyak snack. Nggak bagus, apalagi yang banyak micin-micinnya. Jadi nanti jadi anak micin deh. Lanjut. Ayo lagi kasih ide. You may not apa lagi? Coba dikit sama kok artinya you may not sama you are not supposed to apa?
You may not play game video in class.
Okay, you are not supposed to play video game. To play ya. You are not supposed. Kau harusnya jangan play video game while class ya. Mau play video game ya nanti on Sunday ya kan. Ada lagi yang mau kasih contoh? Kirana dulu, Kirana. Ayo Kirana.
You're not supposed to eat a lot.
You are not supposed to eat a lot. Gak apa-apa lah kan masih pertumbuhan. Diet kata Kirana. Jangan kamu nggak boleh makan banyak, nanti makan jadi gendut. Oke, sekarang say the prohibition, katakanlah larangannya dengan menggunakan boleh pakai not supposed to, boleh pakai cannot, atau boleh pakai may not. Oke, kira-kira eat a lot. Ini apa nih kita buat kasih contohnya? You
must eat a lot.
You may not eat a lot. Ini yang dibilang Kirana tadi ya. Jangan makan banyak. Kemudian number 2. Ayo yang lain dong yang belum ngomong. Ayo kasih ide biar biasa. Nanti kalau tes biar tahu cara buatnya.
Ini masih mainnet atau keynote?
Ayo, come on. Ini siapapun boleh jawab. Kita latihan. Ini kan kita kayak practice aja.
You cannot go climbing.
You cannot go climbing. Jangan pergi manjat. Jangan pergi. Iya, climbing manjat. Yuk, next. Number ini. Number 3.
You are not supposed to smoke. You are not
Jangan
supposed to
merokok. You
smoke.
are not supposed to smoke ya kids ya, anak-anak ya. Jangan rokok, jangan rokok. Next, number 4.
You cannot enter
You
the
cannot enter the room.
You cannot enter the room. Nah, lanjut, number 5.
You may not come late.
You may not come late, yes. In this every day in the class I always capture 8.9 atau 8.10. Saya selalu capture siapa yang masih late, datangnya sudah 8.10, 8. Mem punya datanya semuanya ya. Jadi this one, you may not come late but come late what? You may not come late to the class. Boleh kayak gitu ya. Next, number 6.
Ma'am,
Chatnya belum
You may
ditutup,
not.
ma'am. You cannot take a photograph.
You may not take a photograph in the museum.
Ya, you may not take a photograph in the museum. Kamu tidak boleh ambil gambar di museum. Oke, sekarang kita lihat gambar-gambarnya. Vera is dashing across the road. You may not dash across the road. Why? It's dangerous. You should walk briskly across the road. Kamu tidak boleh terburu-buru menyeberang jalan. Kenapa? Berbahaya. Kamu harusnya menyeberang dengan hati-hati. Sekarang, look at your book. Bukunya Mem kebetulan udah dijawab, jadi nggak Mem foto. Number 2, gambar number 2. Apa itu jawabannya? You cannot
Try.
Cannot riding. You cannot riding a bicycle.
Hello, jangan lupa habis cannot nggak boleh pakai reading, tapi hanya write aja ya. Verbnya harus yang dasar. You cannot
ride a bike on the road.
You cannot ride a bicycle on the road. Why? Why?
Because it's dangerous.
It's dangerous, ya. You should ride the bike along the curb, ya. Next, yang lain lagi. Number 2, Tony is riding motorcycle without a helmet. Apa? What is that?
You are not supposed to ride a motorcycle without a helmet.
Okay, you are not supposed to ride a motorcycle without a helmet. Why? Pasti jawabannya is dangerous ya. Number 3, come on yang lain number 3. Lihat your number 3, look at your number 3 di bukumu. Saya Leong di bukumu, di sini nggak ada.
You cannot flying a kite on the road.
You
Why?
cannot fly a kite on the road. Jangan main layangan di jalan, it's dangerous ya. And the last number 4.
You may not getting
as
they
Cross the road.
You may not chat as you cross the road. Jangan ngobrol sambil nyebrang jalan. Kamu lagi ngobrol di tengah jalan, habis kamu liwat nanti kamu dilindis langsung ya kan? You may not chat as you cross the road. Ketika kamu nyebrang jalan. Okay, I think that's all for today our English. Next week, write in your book. Bukan next week. Next week kita ada perlombaan. Next 2 week we will have test. UHA lesson 1, lesson 2. Tuliskan di bukumu. Next 2 weeks we will have test. Berarti tanggal berapa next 2 week? Next week 5 plus 7 12. 12 plus 7 19. 19 August you will have test lesson 1 and lesson 2. 19 Agustus akan ada ulangan harian lesson 1 and lesson 1 aja ya? Masih ya?
Kita masih
Lesson 1 and lesson 2 kan? Yes. Lesson 1 and lesson 2. Benar. Tulis di bukunya. Jangan lupa. Oke. Karena next week kita 17-an. Jadi kita nggak ada kelas. Kita happy-happy next week. Oke.